Hey, Taber team, wanted to make a video here to point out a couple of guys that went the extra mile for our city inspection that we have coming up. The city inspection is for the water runoff into the drains and then into the ocean. The first bullet point we had to work on is our dumpster lids. They must always be down. So in the event of rain, that whatever's in the dumpster can't go into the drain and then into the street and then into the big drain into the ocean. So there's some examples. The second bullet point that we need to improve on was our outside areas. We need to minimize our sawdust because sawdust will also run off into the drains and then into the ocean. So this is out in front of production building number 1. We need to do our best to keep those swept really good like that. That's a good example. Bullet point number 3 are mop buckets. We cannot empty them into the street anymore because they'll empty into the drain and then eventually into the riverbed and then into the ocean. So that's a mop bucket. Okay, so now this is what makes me really happy. So check this out. These two guys went the extra mile. In production building number 1, Jose's zone of cleaning is zone number 8. So this is Pedro. Pedro is a landscape expert. And this is Jose. You've seen Jose before. These two guys went on the side of the building. Here's a before pic. And, from our side, this isn't even our property, but we put sawdust from our building goes in over there and trash. So these are the before shots of what it looked like. They stepped up and said, how about if we clean that part of it? So there you can kind of see this is the after looking north. This was a heck of a big job, especially in the heat last week. So looking north and then a view looking south. Man, does that look great. These guys did a great job. And it really makes you happy that they took the initiative to do that. So just wanted to point that out, and I think we're ready for inspection. Good job, guys.